Alamosaurus. Alamosaurus was a huge, long-necked dinosaur. It was one of the last sauropods that lived in the Mesozoic era.
This animal was about 7 kids tall.
Alamosaurus was a plant-eating sauropod dinosaur that lived in North America during the Cretaceous time period. Allosaurus. Allosaurus had a small horn over each eye. The horns may have helped Allosaurus to recognize others of its kind.
This animal was about 4 kids tall.
Allosaurus was one of the dominant carnivores in North America that lived in the Jurassic, many millions of years before Tyrannosaurus Rex. Amargasaurus. Amargasaurus was a giant sauropod with 2 rows of spines down its back. The spines may have been attached to one another by skin, creating the appearance of a huge sail on its back.
This animal was about 3 kids tall.
Amargasaurus was a sauropod. Sauropods were 4-legged herbivores known for their small heads, big long bodies, and large appetites. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was covered from head to toe with bony armor. The bony club at the end of its tail was used in defending against predators.
This animal was about 3 kids tall.
Ankylosaurus was a large and heavy quadruped, which means it walked on 4 legs. It was also a herbivore, which means it only ate the green stuff, plants. Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus was a giant dinosaur that had to eat huge amounts of food every day to support its size.
This animal was about 7 kids tall.
Apatosaurus had chisel-like teeth located in the front of its jaws, which it used to grab plant food. A lot of plant food. Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx, sometimes called first bird, was a small meat-eating dinosaur that lived in the late Jurassic time period.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
Archaeopteryx was about the size of a modern-day crow and likely fed on a diet of small animals, including fish and insects. Archelon. Like other sea turtles, Archelon had to come out of the water to make a nest on the beach and lay its eggs. It would then return to the ocean, leaving the young turtles to fend for themselves.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Like giant sea turtles today, Archelon may have fed on jellyfish.
Click to print.
Argentinosaurus. Argentinosaurus was bigger than 10 Tyrannosaurs.
This animal was about 9 kids tall.
Argentinosaurus is the largest plant-eating dinosaur ever discovered from the late Cretaceous time period. Avosaurus. Avosaurus are known.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
This flying dinosaur was probably a carnivore, eating small animals like lizards and mammals.